Hi, good afternoon. Alicia here from Brad Deary in downtown Maquoketa. Checking out this 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport. Tires look like they're in nearly new condition. This vehicle has really low miles and is just waiting to go to its forever home. Let me know if you have any questions or if you want to set up a time to come and see it in person. No dents, dings, or scratches. Overall, it's in really excellent condition. You got your full-size spare in the back here. And plenty of cargo space. Your seats do fold down in here for a 60-40 split. You just pull this handle here on each side and those seats will fold down for you. And then you have a little bit of extra cargo space right here if you want to put tools or anything that you need. Back seat. It's got your jet black cloth interior. You're going to have the remainder of the original manufacturer's warranty. Here's your toggles. Here, your emergency brake, your air, climate control, all of that stuff. It's got 23,771 miles. Let me know if there's any questions that I could answer for you. You can reach me at 563-202-8845. Thanks.